Hello everyone, welcome back. So I have my little hand pocket saw that I made, and if you watched that video, you would have seen that there was the blade from the broken Barlow and the liners. Now I didn't use the blade and I didn't use the liners when I made this, so I had them laying around. I'm going to show you real quick what they look like. So that's the blade and the liners. I have two of the liners, and I said, "Oh, wow, let me do something with those," because I didn't use them in here. So I end up making this. Now that's the blade. I cleaned it up a little bit with some 500 grit wet and dry up to 1,000 and gave it a quick polish. And I have the brass liners in here. And these are mahogany handles, and if you notice here there's an extra pin, so I actually soldered on a pin to the liners so that I could fasten it to the handle so they'll never move. And this just has a polyurethane varnish on it, very durable finish, 90-degree stop. Hopefully you can hear that. This baby walks and talks. So I'm really happy with this. It was very easy to do, again, because I didn't have to make the blade. I didn't have to make the spring. I didn't have to make the liners. Basically, all I did was make the handle out of the mahogany and, assemble it, polish it, sand it, clean it up. And you have yourself basically a little custom pocket knife. So out of one broken Barlow and a broken multi-tool blade, saw blade, I made these two knives. And I'll tell you, these little projects are fun to do. They don't really take long. If you're interested in doing stuff like that, I suggest a book like this, The Complete Book of Pocket Knife Repair by Ben Kelly Jr. I got these books back in the day when, there was no internet, there was no YouTube. If you wanted to learn something, you either went to the library and got a book, or you bought a book. And this gives you tons and tons of information on how to fix knives. But, these days everyone just goes on YouTube and searches it up. But hopefully you enjoyed seeing these. I know I enjoyed making them. And I hope you're having a great day. And like always, everyone, I really, really appreciate your views. And I appreciate your comments. And we'll see you on the next one.